I seen my first butterfly the other day. Yeah, a painted lady. Beautiful colours. Puts me in the mood just to go and do a watercolour of some butterflies and bees. That's another thing that's introducing its presence at the moment is the bees. They're looking for underground burrows to nest in. So if you see the bees out in the grass, hovering about, looking about, they're looking for a home. Yeah. And the insects, they're coming to life, the flies. Yeah. The flies and the insects are coming to life as well. That's another thing, the birds have nested at a prime time, they always do, just in time for the chicks to feed on the hatching caterpillars, bugs and insects. They always time it right, they seem to know exactly when to build their nest, lay their eggs, and then just in time for hatching. There's a whole immersion of insects. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening to you all. Another glorious day after a couple of days of rain we've had. This is the 1st of May, so technically 2 days past the 30th and the 31st of April was showers, so it's still in the confines of April showers. Let's hope we see the last of them for a while. May's supposed to be a hot month, so we'll see. But today is nice. A little bit of a breeze to cool us off. Last night, when I was sleeping, I felt the heat increasing from previous nights, so the temperature's certainly going up. Going about Leafey's Wood. I haven't seen Mr. or Mrs. Stoat for a couple of days, so I'm just on the lookout to see if they appear today. I have staked it out before the rains came. I did stake it out a little while, as you've seen, so I got some good shots of them anyway for the film bank. But another little animal, little Leafey's Wood animal that has been hibernating is Mrs. Mouse. So today I set up my camera to see if I could capture the awakening of Mrs. Wood Mouse. And lo and behold, she came out to play, which I was glad to see. Now I set the camera up and I just walked away and left it just to give her a little bit of peace. So anyway, here's some footage for you to look at. Yeah, great to see all the animals coming back to life. So I'm hoping to film Mrs. and Mr. Mouse more often now. They've got more cover as well. Yeah, that's lovely. Both the woodpecker species came out to play today. The green woodpecker, and I've seen more of the greater spotted woodpecker. She and he was making a little bit of a noise, yeah, drumming on the tree trunk, attracting the female, so yeah, lovely. Everything, as I said, is coming to life, so yeah, just got to get some on photographs and film for my reference material in my film bank. It's lovely. I can sit now under my big oak tree and just admire the wonderful scenes of Mother Nature. Male chasing the females, males attracting the females, the females running and then being submissive to the males. So yeah, the breeding season. So yes, it's lovely. And also it gives me inspiration for my art, as always. What I'm going to do is, I don't think I have got any more wood mouse and harvest mouse watercolour paintings up on my eBay shop. So what I'm going to do is give me inspiration, now seeing Mrs. Mouse, to do some more of those paintings. They're quite popular as well. When I first started painting the little harvest mouse and wood mouses and put them up for eBay, I didn't think they would sell as good as they do, but as soon as I put them up, they seem to go quick. So it's not just me that likes the little mouses. All my art lovers and buyers seem to like them as well. So yeah, that'll be on the agenda soon. Just got to make some time. I'm uptown tomorrow, so to go to my doctor's for my prescription or whatever. So yeah, maybe paint them at the weekend, I think. I've just seen I've got a busy schedule with painting. I paint most days now that the winter's by with, and yeah, producing a lot of good artwork. Yeah, well, most of it good. some I just put to the back of the pile, but art's art, as they would say. And it's funny me saying that, because the paintings that I think, oh no, I think to myself, those paintings will never sell. I've done a hash of that. That's the paintings, I'm not joking, that's the paintings that sell first. Yeah, you wouldn't believe it, but the art lovers and art buyers on my eBay art shop seem to see something in those paintings that even I produce them don't. So yeah, it's great how the art world works. Mind, you've seen on the auctions at Sotheby's, those paintings that sell for thousands and thousands of pounds and millions of pounds, and you've probably sat there and thought to yourself, why would anyone pay that amount of money for that painting? Because I don't see what the value is, but they seem to see it, so yeah. And also there's the monetary terms with Sotheby's and that, as you know, but and the artists, but the down and out straight art lovers who buy paintings just for the sheer art, for not for the monetary terms, but for the sheer art. They see things in paintings that some of us don't see. Every painting is different, so let that be a lesson to use. Even if you paint something and you think to yourself, that'll never sell, that's the ones that people see. So take my word for it. Don't ever, I see artists ripping up or washing out paintings that they don't think's up to the standards. But believe me, put it away. Put it away in your pile, and some art lover will love it. Yeah. Art is a lovely and wonderful world.